yourself the power of protein with this easy and pure homemade butter. This homemade butter is preservative free and the taste is worth toasting for. You can make this butter and ghee in just about 15 minutes without any mess. By the way, if you are new to my channel, hello there! Welcome to Healthylicious Bites. Make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell for healthy and delicious recipes. Let's take a jar and pour the cream and let's start whipping. That's right, the first step in making butter is to whip the cream. You can use hand mixer or a food processor to churn the butter. Be aware it will get messy once the butter is solidified. Today we are making butter in Nutribullet, which dramatically speeds up the churning process with the simple trick. Many of you might have found it difficult to churn butter in a mixie jar. That's because of its high speed and the heat generated while churning. A simple fix is to add 1 or 2 ice cubes and chilled water. This will help butter to separate quickly. And that's it. The butter is simple to make. This solid fat is butter and the remaining liquid is what we know as buttermilk. The final touch in making perfect butter is to remove the buttermilk residue and clean it. Rinse the butter in a chilled water. This will remove any remaining buttermilk. And what you're left with is an unsalted butter. You can use this unsalted butter in any of your baking recipes or simply use it on toast. Two cups of whipping cream will yield you 1 cup of butter and 2 or more cups of buttermilk. Now let's turn this butter into a pure gold. Ghee has many health benefits. It helps to boost your immunity. It has antiviral properties and many nutrients. Essentially, you just leave the butter on a medium-low flame for 10 minutes or less. First, you will see foam forming and it will splatter a bit, which is the water evaporating. Once foam is cleared and the popping sound stops, this means our ghee is ready. Turn off the heat and let it go. If you like, you can flavor this ghee with nutmeg or cardamom. Then strain it into glass container. This ghee will become opaque and light yellow as it cools down. It is absolutely pure joy of enjoying this homemade ghee. Make this at home and your bread will never feel lonely again. I'm sure you will enjoy this pocket-friendly butter recipe. Be sure to like and share your love for cooking with friends and family. I'll see you in next video. Until then, stay happy and have a healthy, delicious day.